check out this Minty 72 250 Mercedes. Let's go ahead and check her out some. Oh, what we got in the window here? Rescue me, please. That's weird, but okay. Well, let's do a little investigative work on this. We'll see what kind of mileage it's got. Hold on. Oh, check that out. Floor pans are good. That's really rare. Oh, let's look at the interior. Nice. And I got some stuff in the back. Let's take a look at the mileage. Check that out. All the mintiness. This was 72. Very nice, very nice. Check out the mileage. 99,000. Oh, this thing is sweet. Well, let's go look at the other side of the car really quick. Well, look at this. It is straight. Wow. Holy, no body rot? Oh, nice. Oh, we are good? Well, the grill's a little messed up, but hold on. What's going on? Oh, this thing's got twin carburation on it. It's fine. What's going on over here? That's fine. This thing was so perfect. It's fine. But apparently it's not getting rescued anymore. So things are happening. Such a shame, but the parts will be greatly appreciated on two other cars that needed the parts. This one, before anybody says anything, had a bad motor. Didn't want to go through and redo the carburetors, didn't want to do a head gasket, the oil was milky, we didn't want to do a rebuild. But sometimes you take a good donor car to help other cars. It's just that. I think it's got a blown head gasket. See a little puffy around the rear cylinder. Mercedes. So, it has come to an end. The parts have been removed. And the rest of the car is going to live on in that right there. Sometimes it's good to part a car out because it'll help others.